So, you really want to publish a book on Amazon. These are some of the books that I've published. In fact, let me show them to you on the computer. So you see, when I'm talking about books, I'm not talking because I don't have evidence to show the books I've published. And these books are actually selling on Amazon. I'll start with this one. That's the Igbo Apprenticeship System. That's this book here. And these are books. See, and that's my name there. And I can look for other ones. I'll go to my author page and look there. That's this book here. You see, these are books. They are published books that people are buying and I'm making money from. This book is at home. It's not here with me. It's not here in the office. That's this book. You see, these are books. These are just my author copy. Then I'll show you this other one. I'm just trying to show my evidence. It's not as if I'm just talking and saying what I'm not doing there. And you see, all of these books, they are on Amazon. That's this one. It's actually a book for people who want to travel abroad, for you to learn what it takes to succeed abroad, wherever you're going. If you're coming to the UK or you're going to America, is a book for you. Then this one is UX deliverable books. This one is just a book to tell you how you deliver UX. I know that's a big niche, but it's just to show you that all of these are published books and they are self-published. It's not as if I did it or I went to look for somebody to do it for me. That's this one. And this book actually have an audiobook. This is a physical book. You can see there's an audiobook. I can play a sample for you so you listen.
This is Audible.
Title AI ChatGPT Essentials from Novice to Expert is for learning, creativity, and innovation. Author Obuke Orugbo and narrator name Obuke Orugbo. The information provided in this book is intended to be educational and informative. Every effort has been made to ensure the accuracy of the content. The author and publisher assume no responsibility for errors, omissions, or inaccuracies. AI ChatGPT
does that. It's just this book.
From Novice to Expert, written and narrated by Obuke Orugbo. This audiobook is brought to you by Wells and Lake Publishing. In this book, we will explore the transformative world of artificial.
So you can actually create books like this.
An advanced AI can be utilized for learning, creativity, and innovation. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this book offers valuable insights into understanding and working with AI technologies. Let's embark on this journey together. Dedication to my lovely wife Susan and our daughters Leona and Lucia.
So there you go. Then let me show you more books so you're not here to play. This book, I just changed the cover because it's not doing well because it's too plain to my own what I think. So I changed the cover to that one. That's why you see it's a bit different, but the content is the same. See, these are books from Amazon. Then let me show you more books. That's this one, Tupac Secrets. These are books. And all of these books are selling. It's not as if they are just there. So I tell you, I'm making some money from these books. That's this one, the Ambition book. There you go. These are books. So I can teach you how to go from point zero to getting your book published on Amazon. I'm just looking for this book. There's Consultant Playbook. Where are you, man? So you've seen the books. If you really want to learn how to publish a book just like these ones that are here, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll talk to you there. Cheers guys, and have a good one.